Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to have two iCloud accounts on one iPhone. All right, so first up, I would like for you to know that you cannot log in, all right here into two primary iCloud accounts on one iPhone, okay, especially when sharing core services like device backups, iCloud Photos, or iCloud Drive. However, you can log in into second Apple account, formerly known as Apple ID, especially to sync contacts, calendars, reminders, and notes. Let's go ahead and try to add a second account for syncing. So let's go ahead over to settings right here. Scroll down to the app section at the very bottom. Just tap on it. We can tap on mail, contacts, calendars, or notes, or whatever right here. So for example, let's go ahead over to contacts. Now in here, let's go ahead over to contacts account. And you can basically add more iCloud account from here. Okay, just tap on iCloud. As you can see here, by default, you have one. You can add more iCloud from here. All right. So another option, if your goal is to use one account for personal data and a different one for app purchases. Okay, let's go ahead over to settings again. Right here. Now go ahead and find media and purchases. It is under our iCloud account. Then in here under media and purchases, just tap on it. And then just tap on sign out. Okay, it says here, this will sign you out of services like App Store, Apple Music, Apple TV, and more. So just tap on sign out. There you go. Now go ahead and go back to media and purchases. Now, instead of tapping on continue, you would go ahead and tap on not your name. Okay, and then just sign in with your second account. And those are the ways to have two iCloud accounts on one iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.